You know what really gets me? Brilliant entrepreneurs who stay broke because they're too smart for their own good. You're analyzing your way into poverty while less intelligent people are getting rich. And today I want to show you the 3 intelligence traps that are keeping smart business owners stuck at mediocre income levels. And then I want to show you the counterintuitive moves that are going to break you free. And while you're watching this, if you realize that you would like me to personally show you which intelligence trap is sabotaging you the most, we can figure all of that out together at proudy.me. But I'll tell you more about that later. Intelligence trap number 1 is analysis paralysis. You've all heard that phrase, but what does it really mean? Well, that's where smart business owners think they need to have perfect information before they act. But success comes from action that only has about 70% certainty. Trap number 2 is you're solving the wrong problems brilliantly, and by that I mean that you're focused on solving problems that don't actually move the needle for you. What's the needle? Well, let me put it this way: getting leads and turning those leads into clients. Trap number 3, you think complexity equals sophistication. And while this is all about optics instead of optimization, you're trying to look a certain way. You're trying to have all of these complex systems working together, but you haven't even closed a single person yet into your service. The smartest entrepreneurs that I know and the smart, successful people that work with me have the simplest business models, because here's the painful truth. Your intelligence is actually working against you. You're probably thinking your way out of taking simple actions that could actually create your wealth. So here's what I want you to try. Stop researching, start implementing, like now. Pick one thing that you've been analyzing and execute on it today. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Now, if you'd like help identifying your specific intelligence trap, real simple, book a brainstorming call with me at proudy.me. It's not a sales call. In fact, a lot of the smart people who have gotten on this call were ready to figure out what intelligence trap was holding them back. And some of them were ready to come into my mastermind. So that gave them a chance to do so. But I'm not going to try to sell it to you. So if you're ready to use your intelligence for wealth instead of analysis, book your call.